say that it's half, real half. Yeah. The first part is the way that the man stopped talking the first was
I'm just looking through the details, and I don't think Asia is supposed to be that large in comparison to the Europe and the eastern part of America. I would say this is AI, a bad one.
Yeah, AI.
Okay, so we start like this. Okay, everybody start like this, and we go. Peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, mix banana, mix banana, mix banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel chop banana, chop banana, shake that banana, shake banana, shake banana, mix banana, mix banana. Which you use during your headline, think you used to bring up the positive aspect, the positive emotion.
These benefits.
Benefits, okay.
Research confirms.
Research confirms, that means that research was a successful one, that brought up
It's something reliable.
the expected results, okay. No, it's me, it's my, okay, so the benefits, okay, let's put it this way, this one, and research confirms. Okay, group number 2. What words did you use to evoke the positive emotion? What is group number 2? Okay, what words?
A key.
A key?
Yeah, they give you, it's a metaphor, it's not a key proper, but they give you the point on the light, it's a keyword, that put you in the positive light, a key. They give you that direction that we frame that we talked before.
Okay, but I would also suggest the mental health. That means that, okay, in the end, the recipients of this trial, let's call it the trial, were in the life, were in a good health balance, the mind and the body. So I would say this as well, mental health and work-life balance. You didn't emphasize if the work-life balance was affected in a positive way or a negative way, but if you keep it this way, it's always positive. Like work-life balance means everything is okay, it's balanced. Okay, group number 3. Positive words you chose to evoke positive emotion.
Success, and also the perspective of the person, how they picture the Friday as a day, maybe the new Friday. Because it's catchy, because everybody knows what Friday brings, it's the end of the week and everything.
Yeah, everybody's waiting for the Friday, and now we can have Friday or Thursday. So, yeah, okay, these are the positive words. Okay, and group number 4.
Success.
Success is always a positive. Okay. 4-day week experiment being success and a lot of new employees to come.
And the new employees, I think, is positive.
New employees can be also positive. Applause to all of you for this.
In general, there is always, I think, some kind of a message from the reporter, what they think, but I don't think it's necessary to always have opinion or something. Sometimes it's good to spread the news with not an influencing positive or negative way. But it's really hard nowadays to not...
Nowadays it is, I can agree with that. Okay, anybody else, do you think it is possible to make a neutral headline?
I think so.
You think so?
I think so, yes. It's you can create a headline like read the info for the new something or whatever. It's not neither good, neither bad, just informative.